Hey guys, Chef here with Fat Kids Barbecue. How's everybody doing today? Today we're going to work with a whole chicken, and I decided that we're going to do a spatchcock chicken. So what that means is we're going to take this guy, we're going to cut right down the center of the backbone, and we're going to chop that backbone out. So what we've got is we have our poultry shears here. So we're going to give this a shot. This is the first time I've ever done this, but if you watch on YouTube, it looks really easy. And wow, that is really easy. So we'll just snip both sides of that out. It's amazing how simple that is. Good, I'm glad this went well. It looks like I won't be ordering a pizza tonight after all. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take this guy, we're going to open it up, we're going to flip it on over. And we want it to lay flat. So we do need to break that breastbone a little bit, and you just heard that pop. So that was really simple. Now it's laying nice and flat. What I've decided to do today is I really like the Summer Shandy lining kugel rub by Traeger. So we're going to use this here. You notice I did put a glove over the container. I did that because my hands are nasty and I don't want to get chicken all over the chicken juice all over the container. Just going to change out a glove here. So now we're going to take our rub and we're going to get our rub all over the skin. Right now we're only getting onto the skin. The skin's a little bit wet, so I didn't really need to use any kind of binder, but I could have used some olive oil to get that on there. What we want to do is we want to try to flip this guy over. We'll get rub all over the backside, all over the legs. So this is pretty good. Now we're going to open up in here. We're going to dump some of the rub inside because we want to season the chicken also. So we'll get that in there pretty good. We don't just want to put the rub on the skin, we want to get the rub on the chicken. So we'll dump a pile of it here and then I'll spread it on in. And see why I oh, that's beautiful. That's going to be nice. And see why I put the other glove over here. So this will be good. We've got pecan wood going today. I've given up on the apple. I'm not a big fan of the apple. That wasn't very good. I tried it on a couple of meats. So now I'm back to the pecan. Pecan tends to be a little milder smoke, and I enjoy that a little bit better on my food. So anyway, we're going to cook this at 350 degrees. It'll probably take 45 minutes to an hour to cook. I am going to use the meat probe, and with poultry we want this to get up to about 170 degrees. So thanks guys. While we wait for the grill to warm up, we'll get a nice Summer Shandy into us as well. Alright guys, so we're outside at the Traeger. We've got the grill warmed up to about 350 degrees. You can see the heat just pouring right off of there. So we brought out our spatchcock chicken that we prepared in the kitchen. And we're just going to put this guy in here just like you see. So it's laying flat right on the grill. We're going to take our meat probe and we're going to stick the meat probe into the thickest part of the breast. That way we can watch the temperature. I've got the temperature set for 165. So I'll come out when it reaches probably about 150, and then I'm going to brush it with barbecue sauce. So term spatchcock, does everybody know where that came from? Can't make this up. I saw it on the internet, and everything we read on the internet is true. Spatchcock is rumored to be 17th century shorthand for dispatching the cock, meaning to open a chicken carcass in order to cook it. This technique involves splitting the chicken by removing the backbone so you can flatten it, resulting in crispier skin and even quicker cooking. I didn't make it up, saw it on the internet. Thanks guys, we're gonna let this cook. Hey guys, so I thought I'd come out here and give this a check and see how our chicken's doing. Our probe's showing that it's at about 132 degrees. So that looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna flip it over. That guy looks absolutely beautiful. So this guy looks absolutely spectacular. So I'm going to put a little bit of barbecue sauce on here because our probe's up to 160 degrees. You could pull this off at 165. I like chicken to go to 170. So this should be done in just a few more minutes. We are using the Summer Shandy by Traeger. Hey guys, so our spatchcock chicken got up to 170 degrees. We decided to steam some green beans because the end of the world is starting to appear outside with a horrible thunderstorm. So we got this done just in time. If you take a look at it, it looks absolutely delightful. The chicken looks like it's about to really just pull off and fall right off the bone. Wow, is that an unbelievable cut. That guy just looks absolutely beautiful. So we did this on the Traeger. We did it at 375 degrees. We cooked with pecan wood today, and I'm gonna enjoy some dinner. Thanks guys. If you like what you see, click the like button down below and subscribe to the channel.